Hello, third graders. Today we are going to learn the Magic C. The Magic C is very important when you're doing cursive. A lot of letters start with the Magic C, so it's really important. And one of the neatest things about starting to learn cursive is to learn that you don't ever have to pick up your pencil when you're doing cursive. And so as you can see, these two C's are connected and you never have to pick up your pencils to write two C's. And so we're going to do that with all of our letters as we learn cursive, but we're going to start with the C because a lot of our letters start with the Magic C. So for the Magic C, you bump the top and you go down and bump the bottom. So we're going to start at the dot, bump the top, go down, and bump the bottom. And you'll do that all along this first row. And then on the one that says check the C, that one, it doesn't give you a dot. It just wants you to start at the top and go to the bottom. Then our next row is practicing the connecting part. So you bump the top, bump the bottom, and go back and bump the top. So you're traveling on the line, you slide up and over. So you're going to start on the dot, make the C, bump the top, bump the bottom, go up and over and bump the top. Start on the dot, bump the top, bump the bottom, go over and bump the top. Start on the dot, bump the top, bump the bottom, go over and bump the top. That's how you start connecting them. And then the last row is this one where you connect the two C's. So you bump the top, bump the bottom, go over and bump the top, and then come back down and bump the bottom, and you have two connecting C's. So you'll start at the dot, bump the top, bump the bottom, go over, bump the top, come back down, bump the bottom, and you have two connected C's. Start at your dot, bump the top, bump the bottom, go over and bump the top, bump the bottom, and your C's are connected. Bump the top, bump the bottom, go over and bump the top, and bump the bottom. And then you'll do the same thing on this last row. Good luck with page 8, the Magic C.